Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to be making this ground or minced chicken with cabbage. It's got some lovely little flavors in there. You know, we've got some oyster sauce in there, soy, garlic, ginger, onion, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get started on this then. So I've got cabbage there, white cabbage. I've cut mine quite chunky. You can cut it much smaller if you want. It's entirely up to you. Here I've got ground or minced chicken. This is 500 grams there. Now, I might get asked, I've been asked this a few times, why is it so red? This is thigh meat that we've ground ourselves, so that's why it's kind of more red than white. 1 onion, a tablespoon of chopped ginger, a tablespoon of garlic, little bit of fish sauce. You don't want to go crazy with fish sauce because it is very, very salty. And then equal parts here, like 2 or 3 tablespoons of soy. I'm using a light soy and oyster sauce. This is delicious. Okay, so I've got a wok here, or you're going to need a fairly large pan. I've got some oil in there, and I'm just using sunflower oil. In goes the garlic and the ginger. And just for a few seconds, let it do its thing in there. It'll infuse that oil. Then we're going to go in with the onion, which I've sliced. And we're going to go straight in here with our ground or minced chicken. Now you can be using beef or ground pork to do this as well. They'll work out really well. Okay, so we're on a fairly lively heat. And we're going to go just for about 4 minutes, keeping it moving all the time. This is looking really wonderful. A little bit of salt. Now don't go crazy with salt because we're going to put fish sauce in this as well. Then we're going to drop in cabbage. And like I say, I've cut my cabbage quite chunky, as you can see. Now you can cut it much, much smaller if you want. We're going to work this in for about another 4 to 5 minutes. You've got to be kind of pretty much stirring all the time. The cabbage will reduce down as it cooks. And we're nearly there, not far to go now, to make this wonderful, wonderful dish. And there we have it. You can see that the cabbage has wilted as it cooks. I'm now going to add some black pepper. And you know, I'm always happy for you guys to be playing around with stuff. So if you want, maybe get some chili in there, star anise, or a little bit of 5-spice powder maybe. Get it how you like. Right, next up we're going to drop in fish sauce. Don't go crazy with this stuff. Soy. We're using a light soy here. And the oyster sauce. Pretty much the same amount as the soy. We're going to add a touch of water, not too much. We're going to go for about another 4 or 5 minutes. And then this is done. It's really simple. It's really tasty. Okay, and there you have it. Job done. Really super, that is. Nice and easy. It's quite a cheap thing to make as well. You can eat that with some rice, which is really good. Just some plain steamed rice is fantastic. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.